Assalamu alaikum everybody. So today's video is about petty cash books, and once again welcome to my channel Rapid Revision. Um, this topic is, is one of the easy topics of accounting and also is tested in the exam. So there's question number one normally, which they give for petty cash books. It is one of the books of prime entry. So there are 7 books of prime entry. You guys must know: sales day book, also called sales journal; purchases day book; purchases returns day book; then there's sales returns day book; then there is cash book; there's petty cash book; and then there is this general journal. So petty cash book, just like the cash book, a cash book is also a ledger account, like it's a T account for bank and cash. Also, it's a book of prime entry. Similarly, petty cash is also a ledger account because it's like a T account. It is based on double entry system, and it is also one of the books of prime entry. Also, one more thing about petty cash book is that the purpose of petty cash book is to record small cash payments. So small cash payments can be like buying stationery, let's say, or paying cleaning expenses, or there can be travel expenses, or some small payments that you need to make to the trade payables, to the suppliers. Also, one more thing that it is the expenditures that are the small cash payments are carried out by a junior member of staff. Also, it's based on an impress system. So I need to explain you what impress system is. So the impress system is that the chief cashier, so the person who manages the cash of the business, all the cash, they basically maintain the cash book as well. So the cash book contains the cash and the bank account. But what happens is that the main cashier, the chief cashier, gives the amount, an amount of money to the petty cashier. The petty cashier basically is a junior member of staff. So let's say it's my business, and I need someone to take care of my small expenses. So let's say I give some money to my driver, and I say to him, for example, it's let's say we can talk about it in dollars. So let's say I say to him that I'll give you $100 every Monday. So every Monday I'm basically going to restore $100 with my driver. So it'll be like I gave $100 to my driver on Monday, and then what happened was that the driver had undertaken all the small expenses with those $100, and then let's say the driver is left with $20 on the coming Monday. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to uh, put more $80, and then I'll restore this to $100. So I need to keep maintaining this balance of $100 with my driver. So that is what the impress system of petty cash is, and what this is what you guys have to do in the questions as well. So expenditures will be carried out by a junior member of staff, and the advantages of maintaining a petty cash is simply that small cash items are written in the petty cash, so there is no crowding in the main cash book. So this will reduce the number of entries in the main cash book, because we'll have separate book of prime entry or a separate account for small cash payments. Also, one more thing, that it reduces the number of entries in the main cash book because we are taking care of it in the petty cash book. Also, one more thing, that when you are giving this amount to the junior member of staff, you're giving valuable training to the junior member of staff, because in the end that member of staff is taking care of small expenses, and then they will keep collecting those vouchers. So let's say my driver spent money for travel, or my driver spent money for some parking fees. So the driver will have that slip with him that he's given so and so amount, the small amount for the parking fees, let's say. So the task of maintaining a petty cash book is given to a junior member of staff, and this allows the chief cashier, like for example in my case I was the manager, so the manager can concentrate on bigger tasks, and my driver can concentrate on smaller tasks. So smaller tasks will be carried out by the junior member of staff. That is why this will also provide a valuable value. This will also provide valuable training to the junior member of staff. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.